Welcome to Lines2Go installation videos. Today we will be replacing fuel lines on a Honda Accord using Lines2Go part number SS1116. While this particular installation is being performed on a Honda Accord, this set of lines will also fit the following makes and models as shown in your screen now. Lines2Go lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of Lines2Go lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. Lines2Go lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Make sure to depressurize the fuel system before starting the installation. Tools required: 10mm socket and ratchet, 10mm, 16mm, and 19mm wrenches, pliers and cutting pliers, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. To depressurize the fuel system, locate the fuel pump fuse using your owner's manual and remove it. Start the vehicle and wait for the engine to stall. Make sure to replace the fuse once completed. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. On the firewall below the master cylinder, use a 10mm socket to remove the two metal brackets that secure the fuel lines. Use a pair of pliers to remove the hose from the vapor line. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the two bolts that secure the metal bracket over the fuel supply quick connect fitting located beside the master cylinder and remove it from the vehicle. Remove the plastic cover from the quick connect fitting and then disconnect it by depressing the two plastic tabs. Raise and support the vehicle. At the rear of the vehicle, use a 10mm socket to remove the bolts that secure the plastic lower cover on the driver's side. Remove the plastic push clips and remove the plastic cover from the vehicle. Disconnect the supply and vapor line quick connect fittings at the rear by depressing the two plastic tabs. Note: have a drain pan ready as there will still be some fuel left in the lines. Remove the plastic clip that secures the brake and fuel lines at the center of the vehicle and remove the two fuel lines. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bracket from the fuel lines that is located behind the front subframe. Use a pair of cutting pliers to cut both fuel lines near the center of the vehicle. Remove the forward section of both fuel lines from the vehicle. Remove the rear section of both fuel lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new Lines2Go stainless steel fuel lines, start by installing the rear section of the vapor line labeled B375 into position and secure it into the plastic clips. Next, install the rear section of the Lines2Go fuel supply line labeled B313 into position and secure it into the plastic clips. Next, install the front section of the Lines2Go vapor line labeled A375 into position, routing it above the front subframe and behind the brake lines at the firewall. Connect the two sections of the vapor line together using the supplied hose section, noting the Lines2Go color-coded connection. Next, install the front section of the Lines2Go supply line labeled A313 into position, routing it above the front subframe and behind the brake lines at the firewall. Connect the two sections of the supply line together using the supplied union, noting the Lines2Go color-coded connection. We suggest waiting to tighten this union until both ends of the line are secured and connected. You will need to remove the 3 plastic quick connect pieces from the original lines and install them onto the new lines. Also, you may wish to cut off the existing rubber insulators from the original front lines so you can install them onto the new lines. This will allow the clamp at the firewall to hold the lines more securely. Use a 10mm socket to secure the clamp located behind the front subframe. At the rear of the vehicle, connect the supply and vapor line quick connect fittings. Replace the plastic lower cover and secure it using the plastic push clips and a 10mm socket. At the firewall, use a 10mm socket to replace the 2 clamps that secure the lines. Connect the supply line quick connect fitting and replace the plastic cover. Replace the metal bracket that covers the quick connect fitting using a 10mm socket. Connect the hose to the vapor line using a pair of pliers to open the spring clamp. Tighten the LinesToGo union using a 16mm and a 19mm wrench. Connect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. This concludes the installation of stainless steel fuel lines on a Honda Accord using LinesToGo part number SS1116. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.